Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing cherrybetty.com. So as you can see right off the bat, if you open up their website, they entice you with this subscribe to receive exclusive offers, get up to 40% off coupon, which is very predatory and very shady, and raises some red flags. And as you can see right here, these images are very just clearly AI generated. So as you can see, if you scroll down here, they didn't even put a lot of effort into making this website itself. So if you're wondering if this is actually legit or actually fake, we have it here opened up on Trustpilot and see that they're all rated 3.2 with only one review, which is 1 star. So patterns don't match what they show you, patterns don't match what they show on their site, poor quality, sizing is inaccurate, they do not respond to messages on social media or email, do not order from the site. So please guys, just from that alone, it's very obvious that this website is a scam, and please do not enter in any information or record information since it might well get compromised. And that is basically it guys, so if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.